Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can bypass the activation lock on a Mac Mini if you're looking for on how you can possibly do it. So the first thing is that you need to go to the Apple ID account page. I will show you right here. And when you're gonna go sign in here, you're gonna have forgot password, right? And you're gonna add an email and type the characters, and this is the first way. You can contact the previous owner if you have access to it, or you can even contact the Apple support. But just be aware that this is not a really easy situation to be in, only because when I was researching it on Reddit and everywhere, is that it's difficult to actually, if you don't have the Apple ID and password. So hope this video helped you at least a little bit. You can just go with the forgot password. I hope it's going to help you, and have a great day and goodbye.